Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. Here I am, Saima Usman, your science teacher. Today we are going to study about changes in material things. What happens when materials are heated or cooled? When materials are heated or cooled, they may undergo change. For example, when we burn a paper, it changes into ash. And when water melts, water turns into ice when it is cooled. So we can say on heating or cooling, a change occurs in materials. Okay, students, some changes are permanent and some are temporary. Some changes are permanent and some are temporary. Permanent changes are the changes in which material undergo permanent change and they cannot return to their original form, and a new substance is formed because of this change. For example, when we burn a paper, it turns into ash, and we cannot get paper back from ash. So such type of changes are called permanent changes, in which a new thing is formed, and you can say a chemical reaction also takes place during permanent changes. The second type of changes are the temporary changes. It means the material that undergo changes can return to its original form and no new substance is formed. Example is the melting of ice. Ice melts and it changes into water, and when we freeze this water, it again changes into ice. So no new substance is formed. Such changes are called temporary changes. Similarly, there is an example of solid gold. When it is heated to a very high temperature, it changes to a liquid gold. So when this liquid gold is cooled, it again changes to solid gold. So this melting of gold is also a temporary change. No new substance is formed, and this is and no chemical reaction take place during the temporary changes.